I swear I love coming to this auction, man. Like, they got everything a grown man could want as a kid. Just to make me a kid again. Like, these are all toys that I would love to have. Like, sheesh. This is a nice RV right there. Sandpiper, pretty big too. Good. Yeah, these things are beautiful, man. I need one to match my beautiful truck. She dirty. I've been in all kind of action lately. We're about to head to Savannah. Show you once it's hooked up. And here goes the Yamaha. Today we pulling a Yamaha boat. Gotta love it. So I ended up looking at the boat trailers, tires, and they were very bad. So I ended up contacting the customers. I told them that I would need some new tires before I hit the road. That's one of the good things I like about actually picking up their trailer instead of using mine. You can call them, tell them something needs to be replaced legitly, and you know they'll send you the money to get it replaced. It's a big thing, you know? So, I was supposed to drop it off today, but as y'all can see, it's nighttime. I ended up staying in the city for the night, and I'm gonna drop it off in the morning. Alright, time to unhitch this thing here.